Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the rugged and breathtaking mountains of the Caucasus. This incredible region, which stretches between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea, is a land of ancient forests, soaring peaks, and unique wildlife. Today, we're on a quest to find a true hidden gem, a snake that is as beautiful as it is misunderstood. I'm talking about the amazing Caucasian viper, a species also known by its scientific name, Vipera koznicovi. This snake is a real specialist, found only in this specific corner of the world, making its home in countries like Turkey, Georgia, and Russia. It's a symbol of the wild, untamed spirit of these mountains, a creature perfectly adapted to its environment and a vital part of the local ecosystem. Getting to know an animal like the Caucasian viper is like unlocking a secret of the natural world. It's not an animal you'll just stumble upon during a casual hike. You have to know where to look and have a deep respect for its habitat. These snakes are incredibly elusive, preferring to keep to themselves far from the hustle and bustle of human activity. For scientists and conservationists, every sighting is a special occasion, a chance to learn more about its behavior, its health, and the challenges it faces. The story of the Caucasian viper is a fascinating one, filled with lessons about adaptation, survival, and the delicate balance of nature in one of the planet's most stunning landscapes. This viper represents a unique branch on the tree of life. It belongs to the family Viperidae, which includes some of the world's most famous venomous snakes, like rattlesnakes and adders. But the Caucasian viper has its own distinct identity, shaped by millions of years of evolution in the isolated valleys and slopes of the Caucasus Mountains. Its very existence tells a story of geological history and climatic shifts that created the perfect conditions for this species to thrive. It's a living piece of natural heritage, a testament to the incredible biodiversity that can be found when you venture off the beaten path and into the wild heart of our planet. Our journey to understand this snake is more than just a search for a reclusive reptile. It's an exploration of an entire ecosystem. The health of the Caucasian viper population is a direct indicator of the health of the forests and meadows it calls home. By studying this remarkable creature, we gain valuable insights into the broader environmental pressures affecting this region. So, let's get ready to dive deep into the world of the Caucasian viper. We'll explore where it lives, what it looks like, how it survives, and most importantly, why it desperately needs our help to continue its ancient legacy for generations to come. It's going to be a wild ride. If you want to find a Caucasian viper, you need to think like one. These snakes are masters of camouflage, and their choice of home is key to their survival. They absolutely love the lush, damp environments found in the subalpine zones of the mountains. Imagine steep forested slopes, clearings filled with sun-drenched rocks, and the dense undergrowth of tea plantations or hazelnut groves. This is the viper's paradise. They thrive in these transitional zones, somewhere between the deep forest and the open meadows, where they can easily find places to bask in the sun, to warm their bodies, and cool, shady spots to hide from predators or the intense midday heat. Their ability to hide is truly world-class. The Caucasian viper uses its surroundings to become nearly invisible. You could walk right past one and never even know it was there. They will coil up perfectly among fallen leaves, nestle into the crevices of moss-covered rocks, or tuck themselves away at the base of thick shrubs. This behavior isn't just about avoiding danger, it's a crucial part of their hunting strategy. By remaining perfectly still and blending into the background, they can wait patiently for their next meal to wander by, completely unaware of the predator lying in wait. Their entire existence is a lesson in patience and the art of disappearing in plain sight. Now, let's talk about what makes this snake so visually stunning. The Caucasian viper is a relatively small and stout-bodied snake, usually growing to about 2 feet in length. But what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in color. These vipers are famous for their brilliant and variable patterns. The most common coloration is a striking black zigzag or rhombic pattern that runs down the length of a brightly colored back. That background color can be anything from lemon yellow or fiery orange to brick red or olive green, making each individual snake a unique work of art. This incredible coloration is what has earned it the nickname the Jewel of the Caucasus. This vibrant appearance isn't just for show, it serves a very important purpose. While it might seem like bright colors would make the snake stand out, in the dappled sunlight of the forest floor, these patterns actually break up the snake's outline, making it surprisingly difficult to spot. This is a classic example of disruptive camouflage. For a potential predator looking down from above, the bold zigzag pattern mimics the play of light and shadow among the leaves and branches. It's a brilliant evolutionary trick that allows this beautiful snake to thrive in its environment, hidden from threats while waiting for the perfect moment to strike at its prey. Like all vipers, the Caucasian viper is venomous. This is a key tool in its survival kit, and it's important to understand what that really means. The venom is primarily used for hunting, not for defense against humans. It's a complex cocktail of proteins and enzymes designed to quickly immobilize small prey and begin the process of digestion even before the meal is swallowed. This is an incredibly efficient system that allows the snake to overpower animals that might otherwise be difficult to catch and consume. The fangs that deliver this venom are long, hollow, and hinged, folding back against the roof of the mouth when not in use and snapping forward when the snake strikes. Now, is this snake dangerous to people? The answer is yes. A bite from a Caucasian viper is a serious medical emergency and requires immediate attention. However, it's crucial to remember that these snakes are not aggressive. They are incredibly shy and will almost always choose to flee or hide rather than confront a human. Bites typically happen only when the snake is accidentally stepped on or feels cornered and has no other way to defend itself. It's a last resort. By being aware of our surroundings when walking in their habitat and giving them plenty of space, we can coexist peacefully and avoid any negative encounters. Respect is the key. So, what's on the menu for this formidable predator? The Caucasian viper is an ambush hunter, and its diet consists mainly of small mammals. It will patiently wait for unsuspecting field mice, voles, and shrews to come within striking range. Its heat-sensing pits, located between the eyes and nostrils, allow it to detect the faint body heat of these warm-blooded creatures, giving it a huge advantage, even in low-light conditions. When a potential meal gets close enough, the viper strikes with lightning speed, injects its venom, and then quickly releases the prey. It will then track the animal, using its keen sense of smell to follow the trail until it finds its subdued meal. While small mammals are its primary food source, the Caucasian viper is an opportunistic feeder and won't pass up other available meals. Younger vipers in particular often prey on lizards, small frogs, and even large insects. This varied diet helps them grow and ensures they can find food throughout their active season. By controlling the populations of rodents and other small animals, the Caucasian viper plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of its mountain ecosystem. It is a top predator in its small world, a silent and efficient hunter that helps keep the entire food web healthy and stable. Without it, the whole system could be thrown out of whack. Despite its incredible adaptations, the Caucasian viper is facing a serious battle for survival. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, has listed this species as vulnerable, and its population is believed to be in decline across its entire range. This is a major red flag, telling us that without immediate action, this beautiful snake could be heading towards extinction. The threats it faces are almost entirely caused by human activities, which are changing its pristine mountain home at an alarming rate. The future of this species now rests squarely on our shoulders, and we have a responsibility to act before it's too late. The single biggest threat to the Caucasian viper is habitat loss and fragmentation. The construction of new roads, the expansion of tourist resorts, and the development of agricultural land are all carving up its forest and meadow habitats. This breaks the larger population into smaller, isolated groups, which makes it difficult for the snakes to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. Furthermore, illegal collection for the international pet trade poses a significant danger. Because of their stunning colors, these vipers are highly sought after by collectors, and poachers removing them from the wild can devastate local populations and push them closer to the brink. Another major challenge is direct persecution by humans. Due to fear and a lack of education, many people who encounter these snakes will kill them on sight, mistakenly believing them to be aggressive and deadly threats. This is a tragic misunderstanding of the snake's true nature. Public awareness and education campaigns are absolutely essential to change these attitudes and help local communities understand the viper's shy disposition and its important ecological role. Teaching people to respect and avoid these snakes, rather than fear and kill them, is a critical step towards ensuring their long-term survival in a shared landscape. Protecting the Caucasian viper is about more than just saving a single species. It's about preserving the wild integrity of the entire Caucasus region. This snake is an ambassador for its ecosystem. By protecting its habitat, we also protect the countless other plants and animals that share its home, from rare orchids to brown bears. Conservation efforts must focus on creating protected reserves, enforcing anti-poaching laws, and empowering local communities to become guardians of their natural heritage. The Jewel of the Caucasus is a treasure worth protecting, a living symbol of the wild beauty that we must all work together to safeguard for the future.